from the US, California, near San Francisco. Right now I work at Kochi City Hall as a coordinator for international relations on the JET program, and right now I am on my 5th year in Japan. And this time I had the good fortune to intern here at Yamato Goken. So before I came to intern, Yamato Goken, metal factory, heavy like machinery, just really industrial. Just the fact that they were listed on the list of options that Claire offered us as internships. I thought, to be honest, I thought it was going to be a lot of like factory work, but the fact that they were doing an internship through Claire told me, maybe they have some international workers, and that they were like a forward-thinking company in terms of bringing in people from different backgrounds. So, I came in with an open mind. I expected to really get down and dirty and just be covered in oil on some days. I don't know, just working with metal. But that's my impression of Yamato Goken before I came here. After interning here for a week, I realized Yamato Goken is a company that really values their employees. They're really committed to making improvements throughout the manufacturing process, through making the workplace a better environment for their people. They're very focused on how they can contribute to society as a whole in terms of technological advancements and offering solutions to companies for their customers. Not just chasing profits, not just chasing revenues. And I guess the thing those are some of the biggest things that changed for me throughout this internship.
はい、いろいろあります。一番印象に残ったものは、ヤマトゴーキンが、利益を追求するだけじゃなくて、社会貢献、社会のために何かで、社会に貢献できるものを世の中に出したいっていうそういう姿勢。あと、その工場の現場、特にもうどれだけ大変なことを作業員の方々がみんなされてるのかどうか、実際見て、私はやってないんでちょっと安全性のこともあって実際やってないんですけど、実際見てみてその同合金の溶解炉が出てきた場面の、熱を実際で肌で感じて、どれだけ過酷な現場で働いてて、さらにいろんなノウハウを使ってノウハウも長年蓄積されてきた知識がどれだけ重要なもので、これがもう本当に実際同合金を作るのが職人技だっていうことが本当に印象に残りました。